What is Monq? How does it work? And does it work? So the Monq product that I got was the rechargeable one. So it comes in a little case like this. And it doesn't have any nicotine, artificial ingredients, tobacco, cannabinoids, THC, and because of that, it's not considered a vaporizer, it's considered a diffuser. So within each device has a lithium battery, and what it does is it heats up a small amount of organic coconut-derived vegetable glycerine and the aromatherapy liquid. To avoid the dangers of concentrated essential oils, it is 80% vegetable glycerine and 20% essential oils. And the oils are from non-GMO, organically grown and or sustainably harvested wild-crafted plants. So as the aromatherapy liquid heats up to 215 degrees, it turns into a mist. So there is no burning of anything. So what you want to do is you want to breathe in, and rather than inhale and you breathe in, instead of breathing in through the lungs, you breathe it out through the nose, because it's our olfactory system that takes in all the beneficial nutrients of the essential oil. So in this one, I got the 3 combos. I got the Vibrant, which has the ginger, lemon, spearmint. I have the Sleepy, which has chamomile, kava, and lavender. I got the Zen one, which is orange, frankincense, and yang yang. It's super easy to interchange between the 3. It's a matter of unscrewing it and putting in the other one. And since I've got this, it's been weeks, I haven't had to recharge the case. And this is the case that you recharge with your USB. So what have I noticed on this? So the Zen and the Sleepy, honestly, I haven't really noticed much. Maybe it's because I'm not typically anxious or stressed out. The Vibrant one, I've tried taking it in the middle of the day. I didn't notice much difference. However, when I first wake up and you're still kind of feeling groggy, I have taken a few breaths of the Vibrant, and I think it kind of helped me decrease the brain fog when you first wake up. So out of these 3, I like the Vibrant one the best. I will be trying out a few more of theirs just to see what kind of effects that it has. Also, I find the scents, when you breathe it in, the scents are pretty subtle to me. I don't find it strong at all. Out of these 3, I do like the smell of the Vibrant one the best. So if you're the kind of person that has a lot of trouble sleeping, I don't know if the Sleepy one will work for you. You may want to use it incongruent with other things. What I do love about Monq is their design. This case has a really nice, almost rubbery feel to it. So does this pen. I like how small it is. Here it is compared to my hand. And this slot is the only one for charging. These 2 slots are just, these 2 slots are just holders for the other ones. In a nutshell, does it work? Perhaps for some people, they have different experiences. For me, the Sleepy and the Zen, I didn't notice anything. The Vibrant, like I mentioned, I did notice subtle things. Maybe the other ones, I will notice something. So, I mean, I'm open to trying the other ones. I'm not a smoker, so holding this or breathing in doesn't really do anything for me. So if you have tried Monq, let me know what your experiences are in the comments below. And if emotional well-being is a priority in your life, please do like and subscribe to my channel.